Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we do some practice programs in Python. In our previous classes, we have done so many practice examples. All these examples will help you a lot in improving your coding skills so that you can easily crack the placement exams. So whatever the logics we discuss here, those will be very helpful in cracking the placement exams. So please follow our playlist from the beginning so that you will have a better understanding and you can easily improve your coding skills. Coming to today's class, let's take the question, try to solve it on your own, then check for the solution. Let's understand the question. Take two inputs. So we have to take two inputs. We have to take one number that should be greater than 0. That is the input we have to consider. First input should be, we have to take that input into a variable called number, and that input should be given. There is a condition on that number. What's that condition is? We will give input greater than 0 value. And the next one is taken in a variable called base. So we have to give the base value, and the base value, for giving the base value there is a condition. What's that condition here? It should be greater than 0 and less than number. Whatever the number you have provided here, the base value should be less than that number. That is what the conditions they have imposed on the inputs. So we have to take two inputs, and the question they are asking here is convert the given number to base number. For suppose example, take the example, if you take the number as 72 and the base as 2, we have to convert this 72 means decimal number to base 2 means binary number. We have to convert the number into binary. If the base is given as 8, we have to convert into octal. If the base is given as 5, we have to convert our decimal number into base 5 number. That is what they are trying to ask. So we have to convert this into base number. Then we have to identify, take the converted base number, whatever the conversion we have done, take that number and display maximum consecutive zeros present. So this is in this way you don't understand. We will check with an example. But one thing we have to understand, we already discussed the logic how to convert the given decimal number to base 2. The same logic we will apply for you can convert into any base. So half of the logic we already discussed in our Python playlist. That's why we are keeps on telling whatever the logics we discussed. If you are good at those logics, you can easily crack the placement exams. Not only that, you can improve your coding skills because similar logics will be used most of the times in most of the questions. See here, half of the logic is already no. So we have to identify the remaining part of the logic. What's this consecutive zeros is? It is very simple. Using a simple for loop, we can identify this logic. Let's try to understand the question with an example. Then you can write the program on your own. Then after, check for the solution. So let's take the number 72 base 2. How to convert into base 2 number? We have to divide 72 divided by 0. 36 is the answer, and the remainder value is 0. 36 divided by 2, remainder is 0. 18 divided by 2, remainder is 0. 9 divided by 2, remainder is 1. 4 divided by 2, like that until the number becomes 0, we have to divide it with 2. That is what the logic to convert our decimal number to any base. Not only base 2, you can take this example. If you want to convert the number to base 3, the same base, 72 divided by 3. What is the remainder value? Remainder value will be 0. These are the basics from digital logic design, number system. If you are not good at what's this decimal numbers and all those things, please watch our digital logic design course in number system section and then come back here. So come to here. So this is the division which we have done, and the output which we got, the base binary number is 1001000. This is what the output is. So what's they are trying to ask? So 1001000. What is the maximum consecutive zeros present in this converted number? Consecutive zeros means 1, 2, 3. The 3 consecutive zeros, and we are having 2 consecutive zeros here. What is the maximum consecutive numbers that are present in the converted number? If you are having 4 consecutive numbers here, what is the maximum consecutive numbers? 4 will be the answer. But in this output, what is the maximum consecutive zeros present in this converted number? 1, 2, 3. So our output should be 3. So this is what the question is. You try to solve it on your own, then check for the solution. Coming to the solution part. So we are not explaining how to write the logic for conversion of this decimal number to any base. So you please check our Python playlist. We are explaining the logic, how to identify the consecutive zeros count. So let's take 1 0 0 1 0 0. If you start counting zeros from this left to right or right to left, there is no problem. We will get the same output. That's why in our program we are not concentrating on whether we are counting it from this side or this side. We are not bothering about that. You can do it any way. So the logic here is we are taking two variables, count and maximum. Let's take this. Count is equal to 0, maximum is equal to 0. You have to loop in these numbers. Take the first number. If it is 0, increment the count. Count plus or equal to 1. So in the if condition, nested if max less than count, yes, maximum is equal to 0. Now count is 1. Max less than count, max is equal to count. Means now maximum value is 1. Okay. Again, take the next 0. If it is 0, increment the count. Count plus or count is equal to 2. So maximum is equal to, again it is assigned to 2 because maximum is less than count. Maximum is 1, count is 2. So max is assigned with 2. Again take the third 0. Count is equal to 3. Maximum is 2, less than 3, 2 is less than 3. So update max. Max is equal to 3. Whenever it found the other than 0, it is doing it. If it is not 0, else part, count is equal to 0. We are doing it again, count is equal to 0. So the logic you have to understand. Whenever it find again 0, it started counting. The count values increase, but maximum value don't increase. When the maximum value is increasing, if you are having 4 zeros here, then only max value increase. Because it keeps on updating maximum value. If maximum less than count, count again started from 1, 2, but max is not updated because the max value is 3 already. If the count went up to 4, then only maximum value increased. That is the logic we are following. You can do any logic. This is the logic we have written. Coming to the coding part, this is the coding part. So same logic we are explaining here. So we are taking the numbers, and this while loop is to convert the number into base, and we are placing it in a list. So we have taken a list 1, we are placing the values, whatever the remainder values, we are placing it in a list, and we are for I in list, we are taking the elements from the list one by one, and we are applying the same logic which we discussed previously. Okay. Take a look at the code. This is the code. Okay. Hope you understand the concept. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.